In a press conference held at the Congress Bhavan on 17th December 2020, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress Committee (Mpycc), Mr. Fernandez Savi DKHAR, refuted allegations made by the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organizations or Comso against the Congress Legislature Party leader, Dr. MUKUL SANGMA, where they had said that the CLP leader, along with the Congress Party and a Congress MLA from Assam, are in connivance towards some kind of a hidden agenda. He also urged the pressure group to remain one instead of being a spokesperson for the government.
That Dr. Mukul and the Congress Party with the Congress MLA from Assam, they have a hidden agenda. Nirungi ko apa nongin? Katkun kaneka statement jongki. Ngai iba kidai ki spokesperson jongka government of the day. When you are in pressure group, be like a pressure group. Don't sideline between the opposition or the government. The Congress Party is very clear that we stand by our commitment.
The Mpycc president, while referring to allegations made recently by members of the NPP Youth Wing with regards to the amendment of the MRSSA by the Congress Party, further stated that the Congress Party had made suggestions to the government to implement the MRSSA 2016 Act while awaiting the MRSSA amendment of 2020.